Sometimes after installing LogMe and Hamachi, you cannot get the clients to communicate with each other at all, even though they're in the same Hamachi network. You can see we have this problem here because we can't even see the client's IP address. It's showing as 0.0.0.0. If all else fails, sometimes you have to delete the Hamachi network bridge and recreate it. This resets some settings so the clients can communicate again. Here's what to do. First of all, open up Network Connections. Look for the two connections which are marked as bridged. In this case it's the Ethernet connection and the connection called Hamachi with the long number after it. Click on one of the bridge connections and control-click on the other bridge connection, so they are both selected at the same time. Then right-click on either connection and choose Remove from Bridge. This will delete the network bridge altogether. Now select the two connections which were bridged just now. Click on one, control-click on the other to select them both. Make sure both of them are selected. Right-click on either connection and choose Bridge Connections. Check that both connections are now marked as bridged. And that's all.